board. Let's check out the speed. This is floored. Still floored, pinned. It's in deep grass, that's bad, so the motor's gonna get hot. But that's floored. Not too quick. But it looks nice. Let me see how hot the motor is. This should be hot running in the grass like that. That's the problem, it gets hot. Yep, it's hot as hell. It may be a candidate for a 550 in there, one of them Kyosho 14 turn 550s. Maybe. What do you think, guys? Future project, maybe? I don't know. They just run hot all the time. You gotta expect it though. You're smoking the tires in the fan, and it's like sinking in it all the time. It puts a lot of stress. Like this puts a lot of strain on the car. I don't even know what pinion gear I have, and if this came with a pinion gear, but I usually put the pinion gear small so they stay cool. Well, I don't know. It's a beautiful buggy though. Really beautiful. I think I need to take a shower after this. Freaking dust blowing all over the place. Oh, I can't breathe, guys. I really can't. See how hot it is now. Jesus. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, this needs a 550 in it. Let me see something. I don't know if sand gets in this beauty. I never liked cars with belts because they always stretch and they get dirt or sand in them and they get buggered up and rip all up. This one's sealed pretty good considering I'm riding it in the sand all the time. But that's it with this beauty. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a beautiful buggy. It's one of my favorites of all time. They're like the best ones ever made for looking cool, I think anyway. Kyosho Javelin's a beauty. Hope you enjoyed the rip, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Please leave a comment, helps the channel out, and give me a thumbs up on the video too. And if you're new watching, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time, guys. The Kyosho Javelin is out. Beauty. Damn, I hit that button again. Alright, later, guys.